Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video we will create this set. It is made of watermelon quartz and some beautiful accessories with cubic zirconia. Let's start. As always, all necessary materials you will find in the description below this video. For our bracelet I will use 1 mm thick stretch cord, and I will start from the place where after I can hide my knot. I will hide my knot inside this ball, so this will be my first bead. Then I take 2 beads of watermelon quartz, another spacer with cubic zirconia, again 2 beads, 1 gray crystal, 7 beads, and now I will add again crystal, 2 beads, spacer and 2 beads. My strength is equal to a bit more than 7 inches. This is the medium size of the bracelet. Now I will just make a knot from my 2 ends. One more. Then take a super glue and I will put the super glue straight away to my knot. I will wait a bit and will cut extra. And will enter inside my bead. As you can see, this way you don't have any knots anywhere. Our bracelet is ready. Now we will create a pair of earrings to match this bracelet. Our earrings will look like this. For it we will need a head pin, eye pin, earring clasp and beads. First of all, take our head pin, enter to our crystal, bend the head pin and create the loop. Then take our eye pin, watermelon quartz, crystal, and as well bend. Then cut extra, leave around 1 centimeter and make a loop. Then take our clasp, attach our element to our clasp, close it. Then from the bottom part as well, open our loop and attach the crystal and close. Our set is ready. As you can see, just from the beads and some crystals plus spacers and elements with cubic zirconia, you can create absolutely gorgeous bracelets and earrings. It can be a perfect gift for someone or for you. You can decide on the color and you can match it with every outfit you have in your wardrobe. I really hope this easy tutorial was useful for you and you will create your own jewelry sets. And I would love to say thank you for watching this video, and don't forget about likes and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Have a lovely day. See you soon in my next tutorials. Bye!